Hey guys, welcome back today to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Mediterranean couscous. To start off, trim and dice 2 zucchinis into 1/2 inch pieces. Then finely chop 4 scallions into small pieces, separating the whites from greens. Then cut 8 ounces of grape tomatoes into halves. Then you'll need 1/4 of an ounce of thyme leaves. Next, mince or grate 2 cloves of garlic. Lastly, cut a lemon into half. Next, in a large baking dish, add in the zucchinis, the grape tomatoes, and half the thyme leaves. Then add in a large drizzle of olive oil and some salt and pepper. Finally, give that a good mix. Then, in another baking dish, add in 13 ounces of cooked chickpeas. Then add in 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, a large drizzle of olive oil, and salt and pepper. And give that a mix. Then, in an oven preheated to 425 degrees, add in the chickpeas and the vegetables. After about 12 minutes, take them out of the oven and give them a good flip. Then put them back into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, put a pot on medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in the garlic. Then add in just the scallion whites into the pot. And finally, add in the rest of the thyme. And mix that in. After about 1 minute, add in 1½ cups of Israeli couscous. Give that a good mix. After about 2 minutes, add in 1½ cups of veggie stock. After the stock comes to a boil, reduce heat to low and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes until the couscous is cooked. In a bowl, combine the couscous, chickpeas, and roasted vegetables. Also, add in the juice from the lemon. Then add in 1 cup of feta cheese and give that a good mix. To serve, add the couscous mixture onto a plate or bowl. Top with the green scallions. After that, it's ready to eat. Enjoy!